Have you ever picked up your phone just to check the time, but then 20 minutes later, you snap out of a daze, wondering where all that time went? If that sounds familiar, trust me, you are definitely not alone. It's a common trap, and it's not entirely our fault. Our devices, our apps, our entire digital world, they are masterfully designed to capture our attention and hold it hostage. But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script, a way to take back control? We're living in what experts call an attention economy. Think about that for a second. Your attention is a commodity, a valuable resource that countless companies are fiercely competing for. Every single ping, every little notification, every bright red bubble is a carefully crafted hook designed to reel you in. They're all fighting for a slice of your focus, your energy, and your time. This constant bombardment does more than just waste a few minutes here and there. It fragments our concentration into a million tiny pieces. It dials up our stress levels, keeping us in a state of low-grade anxiety. It makes deep, meaningful work, the kind of work that leads to real progress and fulfillment, feel almost impossible to achieve. We're always connected, but we're rarely present. We're always busy, but are we actually productive? The answer isn't to go full hermit, throw your phone into a lake, and move to a cabin in the woods, although, I admit, some days that sounds pretty tempting. The real, sustainable solution is to become the master curator of your own digital space. It's about making a conscious shift, moving from being a passive consumer who is constantly being acted upon to an intentional user who decides how and when to engage. This transformation begins with a very simple, yet powerful, audit. I want you to do this with me. Pick up your phone right now and just look at your home screen. Take a good, honest look. Ask yourself, does every single app staring back at you serve a genuine purpose in your life? Is it a tool that helps you create, connect, or learn? Or are many of them just digital time sinks, little traps waiting to pull you into a vortex of endless scrolling? Be honest. The first step to reclaiming your time is admitting where it's going. So, let's get practical. Let's talk about the action plan. I'm going to give you 3 actionable steps you can take right now, today, to start your digital declutter. First, the notification purge. This one is huge. Go into your phone's settings and ruthlessly turn off every single notification that is sent from an actual human being trying to contact you directly, like a text message or a phone call. That means goodbye to social media alerts telling you someone liked your photo. Goodbye to news updates designed to provoke an emotional reaction. Goodbye to that game reminding you to collect your daily reward. Reclaim your peace and quiet. Your phone should alert you on your terms, not on an app's schedule. You'll be amazed at how much mental space this frees up almost instantly. Second, the home screen edit. Your home screen should be a toolbox, not a toy box. It should be a launchpad for productivity, not a gateway to distraction. Move your most distracting apps out, though the ones I'm talking about, the social media, the games, the endless video feeds, move them off your primary home screen. Tuck them away into a folder on your second or even third page. The simple principle here is, out of sight, out of mind. By adding a little bit of friction, a few extra swipes to get to those apps, you break the pattern of mindless, reflexive opening. You give yourself a moment to pause and ask, do I really want to open this right now? Third, schedule your consumption. This is a game changer. Instead of checking your feeds randomly, whenever you have a spare second, you decide when it's time. Block out a specific, finite amount of time in your day for it. Maybe it's 15 minutes after lunch and 15 minutes before you wind down for the evening. That's it. By setting these boundaries, you transform an endless, anxiety-inducing activity into a manageable, contained task. It's no longer an infinite scroll, it's a scheduled break that you control. When you start implementing these steps, even just one of them, something truly incredible begins to happen. The constant mental static that's been buzzing in the background of your mind starts to fade. The noise quiets down. You'll suddenly find yourself with these little pockets of time you never knew you had. Moments of stillness, moments to think, to daydream, to notice the world around you. You'll feel less rushed, less reactive, and more present in your own life. And your ability to focus, to do that deep work on the things that truly matter to you, will skyrocket. Your phone will finally become what it was always meant to be, a powerful tool that you use, not a demanding master that you serve. You become the one in charge. So, Here's my challenge to you for this week. Pick just one of these steps, just one. Commit to the notification purge, or declutter your home screen, or schedule your scrolling time. Take that first step to reclaim your attention and rediscover your most precious, non-renewable resource, your time. If you found any of this helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel more than you know. And be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more strategies to help you build a life with more intention, more purpose, and a whole lot less noise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.